Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 11.2 question number 9. Top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon as shown in the figure. Find the area of the octagonal surface. Find the area of the octagonal surface. Let us find the area of the octagonal surface. Here we are finding that area of the octagonal surface octagonal surface octagonal surface is equal to area of ABCH, area of ACDG, and area of GDEF, right? That is area of trapezium, area of trapezium, area of trapezium ABCH, ABCH plus area of rectangle plus area of rectangle area of rectangle HCDG plus area of trapezium plus area of trapezium GDEF right. We'll find the area of the trapezium ABCH. We know that area of a trapezium is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides into height. Here see, this is a regular octagon, that means this is also 5 meter. This is also 5 meter. Since this is a regular octagon, this is also 5 meter. It is also 5 meter. Also 5 meter. The height is the same. That is, it is 4 meter. 4 meter. Right? And this is 11 meter. Right? Now, area of the trapezium ABCH. Sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides is 11 and 5. The height is 4 meter. Therefore, half 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides, that is 11 plus 5. 11 plus 5, and height is 4 meter into 4 plus area of rectangle HCDG, length is 11 and breadth is 5 meter, that is 11 into 5 plus area of trapezium GDEF, again half into sum of parallel sides. This is 11 meter, this is 11, this is 11 meter, and this is 5 meter. Again same, that is half into 11 plus 5 into height is 4, right? Therefore we are getting 1 by 2. 11 plus 5 is 16 into 4 plus 5 will 55. 55 plus 1 by 2 into 11 plus 5 is 16 into 4. So we are getting 202. 2 to the 4. Also 202. 2 to the 4. Therefore we are getting 16 into 2, that is 32, plus 55 plus 16 to the 32 plus 32 meter square. Meter square. That is we are getting, if we add all this one, that is 32 plus 55. Adding this one, 32 plus 32 plus 55. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2 is 9. Fifth is 6 plus 5 is 11. Is 119 is equal to 119 meter square. 19 meter square. This is the area of the octagonal surface. Right? 119 meter square. Let us repeat once again. Here you see, this is the octagonal surface. This is given as 11 meter. Since this is a regular octagon, therefore, since this is 5 meter, it is also 5 meter. And the height is given as 4 meter. In the same way, this is 11 meter, this is 5 meter, and this is height is 4 meter. Right? Therefore, we get the area of octagonal surface as area of this trapezium plus area of this rectangle plus area of this trapezium. Area of trapezium, we know that half into sum of parallel sides into height, that is half into 11 plus 5 into 4, plus area of this rectangle is 11 into 5 plus half into 11 plus 5 into 4. Therefore, we are getting 32 plus 55 plus 32, and we are getting 119 meter square. Therefore, the area of the octagonal surface is 119 meter square. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.